everyone, my name is Hannah. Today I want to talk about inside your body. And here you can see like some of your parts is this is your skeleton, your brain, and your stomach. So today's focus question is how do the system in your body work together to keep you alive and healthy? Introduction. So the human body is an amazing machine in your body, and it has many parts that form systems. The system work together to keep you alive and healthy. Like the system work together to keep you alive and healthy at the same time. Let's look at some of our system in our body at this book. Skeleton system. So the first system we're going to talk about is the skeleton system. There are 206 bones in your body that make up your skeleton, and your bones give your body shape and strength. They also protect your inner organs. Most of the bones in your body are linked together at joints, and there are different kinds of joints in your body. Different joints let the body parts move in different ways when they have different joints. So we're going to talk about two kinds of joints that are different. And so the first kind of joint is the joint that join your arm and shoulder. So the first kind of joints we are going to talk about is your arm and your shoulder. Like when in your body it joins your arm and shoulder, it lets your arm rotate, and the joints at your elbow and knees let you lower and leg move up and down when you walk. And if it were not for moving joints and it was not joints, you could not walk, run, and swim. Muscular system. Muscles control the movement of your body. There are three kinds of muscle. So the first muscle is the skeleton muscles, and the muscle that is attached to the bones. That it makes your arm, legs, fingers, eyes, and other body parts move. And the next kind of muscle is the cardiac muscle. That muscle is the strong heart muscle, and it works around the clock in every time. And smooth muscle is found in your skin, and the third muscle is the smooth muscle, and it is found in your skin, stomach, and other organs. Nervous system. Your brain and hundreds of miles nerve fiber your body communication system. And the brain is the control center. It receives information from your sense organs, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, and skin. And the brain tells your muscle what to do. If your finger goes near something that is hot, the signal goes to your brain, and the brain will know it's hot, so it will send the signal back to your fingers that it is hot. So you will move your hand immediately away of the hot thing. The brains control many functions of your body without thinking, but there are some things that we don't think about them when we are even at them. Like you blink your eyes, you breathe, your heart beats, and you just guess with that, and you just guessed food without thinking. It just does. And for other things, the brain tells muscle what to do. The brain decides what to do too, and based on the information from your sense organ, what it does depends on a lot on what do you have been taught. If you see a problem like 2 plus 2 equals, you know the answer because you were taught to ask, and your brain will solve it immediately when you see it. And the third one, and the next one we talk about is the representation, the respiratory system. This system takes care of breathing breathing. And oxygen is a part of the air that you breathe. Air enters through the nose and mouth and travels to your lungs through your trachea, a wide pipe. Once air is in your lungs, blood removes the oxygen and takes it to the cell of your body. And your lungs also remove carbon dioxide from your blood. The carbon dioxide leaves your body every time you breathe out too. Circulation laterally system. The circulatory system is made up of your heart and blood vessels. Your heart pumps blood through your body. It never rests. And it will never rest. Blood delivers food to the oxygen to every cell in your body. It also picks up waste products from cells and takes them to the lungs and kidneys. The waste that then leaves your body. Digestive system. Digestion breaks down the food that you eat every day. Food must be broken into very tiny particles so that it can be carried by the blood to cells. When food enters your mouth, it mixes with saliva or spit. Saliva begins digesting the food. When you swallow food, it will travel down a long tube to your stomach, where it mixes with other chemicals that digest it more. Then the food enters your small intestine. Here, blood and here more chemicals mix with the food. The food and blood moving through the walls of the small intestine carries away the distant food, and food that is not distant continues until your large intestine, and it is then removed as waste. Reproductive system. Humans must reproduce in order to survive. Special organs and glands in the reproductive system allow humans to make new human beings. Conclusion. This is a look at some important system in your body. The action and in this book it is talk about some system in your body, and many other parts also help you stay strong and healthy too. But we just don't talk about it today. And you can help your body to do its job by eating well and getting exercise, and you can also help avoiding stress and unsafe situations. So I guess that's all. Bye.